This is a short video to give you a little bit more information about Rights Respecting School and our exciting new pupil steering group that we are wanting to launch. This is an opportunity for you to get really involved with the school and to have your voice heard and be the voice for other pupils within the school. So I want you to have a look at the pictures and maybe have a think and see what articles maybe relate to the idea of pitching in and getting involved in the school community.
Hi everyone, my name's Liba and I'm in S6. Belliston Academy are looking to create a right respecting group, and to do so we need your help. We need each registered class from S1 to S5 to choose one member to represent the right and respecting group. This group will work closely with staff and pupils at Belliston to ensure we are a right respecting group. As pupils, we have many rights, but one very important right is to have the freedom of expression. We believe that every child must be able to express their thoughts and opinions as long as it's within the law. We believe it is our right to be involved in decisions which personally affect us. We should feel valued. Involving young people like us means that there will be more people to make a difference in our school environment.
So we've just heard from Liba Khan, one of the school captains, talking about the importance of participation and getting involved. Now, why do you think it's important that you should be able to share your views and opinions on matters that affect you? Take a couple of minutes, maybe have a wee chat with some of the other classmates, and then we'll share what we think on the next slide. So, maybe you said some of these, maybe you said some different reasons why it's important you should get involved and make your voice heard. All of these reasons are valid. It's because this is your school. So it's important that we put you at the centre. You have some good ideas that maybe we wouldn't think of, so that's also important. It's preparing you for adulthood in the real world, where you're going to have to make decisions and you're going to have to feel confident enough to speak up. Also, look at Greta Thunberg. She's just turned 18, and the impact she's had globally in raising the awareness of climate change through making her voice heard as a child. So these are all good reasons to get involved and to make your voice heard.
The new Rights Respecting group will be made up of staff and pupils across the school. The group will allow you to have your say, develop leadership skills, and work as a team on what you think is important for the school. You will meet once a month and raise any concerns and issues you have and you'd like to see change in, no matter how big or small the issue is.
Belliston Academy have many opportunities for you to be able to express yourself, as well as leadership opportunities. For example, you can be a buddy, an MVP mentor, a prefect, part of the Health and Wellbeing Council, LGBT, and part of the captaincy team. These are just many opportunities that you have to be able to express your thoughts, feelings and opinions at Belliston Academy.
The staff at Belliston Academy will be able to understand what pupils want, and this will also help you develop into a more confident pupil and help make real change within the school. At the end of the day, this is your school and you should have a say in it. If you're in S1 to S5 and this sounds like something you'd be interested in, please don't hesitate to join the Rights Respecting group so we can take a step forward as a school.